So this is the version of this LED panel. You can see with higher brightness. More importantly is COB based. It's a module parts can be combined together. And we can lock the back side. I may need someone to help me to lock the back side, and then maximally 7x7. We can check. It's the pixel pitch 1.25, and with the screws we can. Sorry. And this can be the module part, which is or magnetic, and now we put it on. It can display as well. Have two versions, touch and non-touch. This version can be touch, infrared touch. 'Cause this
你们要干嘛？